Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Beacon House Old Student Society Boss Memory Lane. Beacon House Boss is all about building a community together. Today's Memory Lane guest is very special alumna. She has an enriched experience of over 27 years in the field of art, culture, media, heritage, and tourism. She has worked with multiple companies and departments in both public and private sector. And that too not only in Pakistan but internationally as well. Her diverse and vast experience in this field makes her a legend in Pakistani art and cultural industry. She's a graduate of the very first batches of Beacon House School System from F7 Girls Branch, Islamabad in 1987 and is currently working as a consultant events in marketing with PNCF and also with National Heritage and Cultural Division, Government of Pakistan. Ms. Rabia Amin, welcome to Beacon House Boss, Memory Lane. Let's take a trip down to Memory Lane. What's your fondest memory at Beacon House?
My father was in the Air Force and अब्बू का यही होता था कि सुबह जल्दी जल्दी तैयार होना और he used to drop me to school. So one day I was just getting ready and went to school and भागे भागे पहुंचे F7 branch on Bardhala Road. It's 1983-84 की बात है.
Right.
So I forgot to wear my socks and
Okay.
I went in my slippers. So at the gate, Miss Rabia Zaman used to be our principal and she was so particular about your cleanliness and your nails.
And those were the days when everybody was
yes. And they used to make you stand outside the gate, मतलब like if you've not done something right or what. रो के पूरा हर शहर मैंने कहा मुझे जाना है मुझे क्लास अटेंड करनी है ये है वो my class is going away but no. But then after that since I was the shortest in height so in the assemblies what used to happen कि सबसे आगे मुझे खड़ा कर दिया जाता था ना मतलब
वो height wise होती है जी जी
तो बहन सबसे आगे तो वो हमेशा कल आपने ये आयत याद करके आनी है तो असेंबली में आपने आयत सुनानी है मतलब like every assembly I used to conduct the recitation of Quran.
Wow. And if you have to describe your school life in 3 words, what would that be?
Oh.
And why?
Fun. Experience and humbleness.
What sort of group you were part of? Padhaku, Shararti?
बहुत शरारती, बहुत शरारती.
Right.
Padhaku, yes, of course, but not that very much Padhaku. Graduated with AA+.
Mashallah,
I scored 678 marks out of 800 in my metric exams.
आपको teachers के नाम याद हैं?
जी, चीदा.
जी, please.
I remember my music teacher, जावेद नियाजी साहब. म्यूजिक क्लासेस हुआ करती थी एंड वो हारमोनियम लेके आ जाया करते थे और हम लोग लाइक नहीं हमने ये हारमोनियम नहीं सीखना हमने गिटार सीखनी हमने ये खबरदार पहले सुर लय सीधा करो फिर वो पूरा सारे गामा
ये ना बीकन हाउस में एकेडमिक्स भी बहुत फोकस था और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में वो आपको पूरा एक होल किस्म का एनवायरनमेंट 360 degree. Right.
Then of course Mrs. Ghani who used to be our vice principal, she was a mentor.
Right.
And then again, of course, my mother, she used to be teaching there. She was principal primary branch although. Then again, Ma'am Salma and Ma'am Zora Jabeen, she used to be maths teacher and social studies की वो हमारी Pak studies की teacher हुआ करते थे.
At school you make friends for life. Would you like to name few and any incident या कोई ऐसा वाक़या जो बहुत ज़हन नशी हो आज तक दोस्तों के साथ?
We were in class 7 and Huma, Leluma, Saima, Fatma. Then there was our Egyptian friend Ghadia. We used to be one group. तो हमारी इस्लामियात की टीचर होती थी.
अच्छा.
तो क्या नाम, मैम सलमा, so उनको छिपकली से बहुत डर लगता था। हमारी what she did, उसने ना प्लास्टिक की छिपकली नहीं होती,
Oh God.
वो ला के ना right behind the blackboard ला के सुबह चिपका दी, and first lesson used to be of Islamia. तो मैम आई अपना रोस्टर पे खड़ी हुई, we were all sitting there and we were like, अच्छा वो अपनी हमारे बुक्स है, तो फौरन हुमा said, मैम छिपकली, हाँ है, भागो भागो भागो।
So, what aspect of your school life which you really miss nowadays?
Oh yes, oh, the school I really miss. मतलब like now we've gone into a practical life. There are more other kind of challenges that you're dealing with.
Right.
There are more other group of people you're dealing with. But वो एक ज़माना था, बचपना था जब आप you were free to talk about anything. You were free to move,
Carefree days, no?
Carefree days. I remember उस वक्त तो बहुत मज़ा आता था कि हम लोगों के इंटर स्कूल वो मैचेस वगैरह हुआ करते थे. Boys branch used to come over.
Right.
And I was one of the baseball player. मुझे रनर बनाया होता था. तो मैं ना इधर से भाग उधर से भाग तो ये सारे लड़के मुझे कहते थे इस राबिया को नहीं रखना, इसको नहीं रखना ना, लेकिन ये बहुत तेज भागती है. Then debates,
right. Extracurricular activities में आप थे, right?
I used to do debates.
So, what aspect of your professional life which you really love nowadays, and how Beacon House has impacted on it?
Well, Beacon House actually taught me to be independent.
Right. Okay.
That was one point. That was one very good strength that I learned from there, because at one time कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि एक दो friends जो थी वो चली गई थी and I was left alone. And then बाकियों के साथ मेरा इतना ज़्यादा वो communication proper नहीं थी. But then I had to prove myself that okay, I am the one who is going to, take over and lead forward. Humbleness and independency. तो वो मैंने बहुत Beacon House से सीखी. That it groomed me in that way that when I went to the college, I went to FG College. So it was never difficult for me to interact with my colleagues, with my teachers.
Right.
And then again when I went to NCA, वो आपकी personality इस तरह की groom हो गई. Since I'm the only child, I don't have any brother or sister. So my parents also gave me that strength कि राबिया बस ठीक है, तुमने अपना career बनाना है.
Do you remember your section?
Yes, section B.
All right. Okay. Coming back to your profession, art and culture, you're a very sensitive person. Artists are very sensitive. So how do you see things around you? And where do you see the future of art in our country?
Pakistan, our subcontinent, this belt where we are right now, it has a vast history.
Of course.
Going back to Mehergarh, going back to Indus civilization, going back to Silk Route, and ये बहुत सारे cultures हमारे अंदर engrave हुए हैं.
Multicultural है हम.
हाँ. तो अगर आप उनको उस लिहाज से चलाएं तो आगे आपकी जिंदगी में बहुत सुकून और पेशेंस मिलेगा. सो आई थिंक हम अगर अपने रूट्स को ही दोबारा आगे चलाएं और उनको अपना एक बेसिक फोर्टे बनाएं rather than going into
a borrowed culture.
We have so many diversity, so much of diversity
है इतनी ज़्यादा, इतना
बहुत diversity है. So what again we need to do is that अपने आप को अपना positive image दिखाएं.
Sometimes, Ms. Rabia, we get to hear few words and they stay with us and we follow them.
Yeah.
What were those words? Were said to you by whom and stayed with you and you actually followed them?
एक बात बहुत मेरे दिल के करीब है और जिसके पर मैं आज भी अमल करती हूँ. And I take it very seriously and I just follow those without any second thought about it, are the words of my father.
Right.
For my father said, as soon as I stepped out in the working line, he said, कि Rabia, now you're going into the market area. तो तुम काम भी करोगी और आगे भी चलोगी, तुम्हारी salaries भी आएंगी, तुम काम भी करोगी, you'll be meeting a lot many people and everything. Don't forget about two things. One thing is never lose your dignity, and one thing, never take incentives.
In the end, what pearls of wisdom would you like to share with the young minds of Beacon House across the globe?
Wherever you feel confident, go for it. Don't get pressurized by anybody, but again, keep your dignity and your humbleness in your life. That's the basic thing. And you can achieve anything in the world, in your life, in your career. And I think women should be more empowered with because they can really think and they can make the companies go work together, and,
Right.
and they're a bridge, and they're the, if you say a woman is a homemaker, so woman is a society maker as well. So
They're the nation builders.
they're nation builders,
Right.
yeah.
So we have to work together
Yeah.
with inclusivity, of course.
And keep your positivity.
Positivity.
Yes.
On this positive note, ladies and gentlemen, we end our Beacon House Boss Memory Lane. Thank you so much for joining in.
Beacon House Old Student Society, BOSS, building a community together.